MCBS, synonym to experience and reliability, is your one-stop solution for electronics manufacturing. MCBS provides different kind of services on print-to-build, turnkey projects and PCB assembly concept. MCBS is actively involved in SATCOM, broadcasting and communication, electronics manufacturing, EPC and turnkey projects. In past 35 years, MCBS has produced numerous satellite systems and subsystems, EduSat terminals, ground receiving stations and systems, cable TV, antenna systems, DTH systems, head-end in the sky, drivers, controllers, automation systems, set-top boxes, CCTV control systems, audio-video transmission and reception equipment, amplification modules, suppression modules, etc. MCBS has a proven track record of R&D, electronics designing, sourcing, manufacturing, assembly and testing. Innovative culture, integrative and collaborative approach, proven track record of more than 400 successful products and strong belief in qualitative sustainable growth makes MCBS your unique business partner. MCBS supports a variety of industries including electronics, space and defense, telecom, automobile, consumable electronics, lighting, solar, mobile, drone, automation, smart home automation, application-based automation, production and manufacturing automation, power, IT, medical, industrial safety and fire control, etc. Class 1 lab clean lab with Class 100 workstations, automated SMT line, world-class machinery and high-rel skilled manpower enables MCBS to deliver world-class products in terms of quality and quantity. For any kind of electronics manufacturing, please contact at smt@mcintel.com or visit our website on www.mcbsantl.com. You may also visit us at MCBS Private Limited, B134-139, GIDC Electronic Estate, Sector 25, Gandhinagar, Gujarat, India.